Hey guys, welcome back to another video of me, William, and today we're going to be unboxing this late 2013 Retina MacBook Pro. So let's get unboxing. It might be easier to undo from the other side. Oh yeah, look, this side has brown tape. That probably means this side is probably going to open it from. Oh yeah, look, that's much easier. There we go. Okay. So let's just take out all this bubble wrap. That's one. This has a lot of bubble wrap. Here it is, and in the bottom of the box we have some more bubble wrap. So there it is. Let's just put the rest of this bubble wrap in the box. Okay, here we go. Okay, here it is. Here is my late 2013 Retina MacBook Pro. This is actually the first MacBook I have ever owned. And honestly, it looks great. We also have a bunch of ports on this thing. And it has not got a DVD drive. But who needs that? So let's just turn it on. Here we are, so I'm going to set it up, and I'll see you guys in a minute when I've set it up. And we're in. Less than a minute remaining. I'll take your word for it, Mr. Mac. Video editor is installing. To download Cinebench. Right, so let's just get it and install. And it's installing. So we're just going to leave it to install, and once it's installed, I'll be back. So here's my new MacBook, here's my old laptop, and I'm going to run Cinebench on both of them, and yeah. See you guys when it's done that. This one's already started. This one's still doing it. My god, it actually wasn't that much more. We got about the 11. Wow. That's still decent, by the way, guys. Because, like, around about here is, like, really, like, current MacBooks, I would say. Up here is, like, a custom-made, fully maxed out gaming PC. By the way, guys, this video you're watching is currently being edited on this. Or, not currently, but has been edited on this. I'm going to try and make the thumbnail on this as well. So, yeah, that's... yay. Guys, so this is the webcam on this camera. The webcam on this camera. this is the webcam on this MacBook. I'll try and get a clip of the webcam on my old laptop just to show you. Not that webcam matters that much. I just want to say this is when that video is going to be the end of this video. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. And it didn't work, guys. I recorded it on the other Mac, and it didn't work. Unfortunately, I put it on SD card, put the SD card into the laptop, and it just refused it. And I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on here. I pointed there because on this camera it's reversed. So like this, I'm holding up. So this hand, for me, I should be holding up this one. Yeah. Anyway, that's just on this. I didn't have that earlier. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Sorry I couldn't get that video for you. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.